What's good, YouTube? Welcome back, everyone, to another Minecraft tutorial. Sorry, it's not like a hand hit stand. This still on my phone stand, but anyway, um, today, today, I'm gonna be telling you before we click play here. I kind of got messed up, so I'm just gonna tell you now. So when you're going across right here, when you're going across left and right, I want you to place 30 left and 30 right. After you do that, pause if you need it. It's oak planks, by the way. It's oak planks. And after you do 30 left and right, do a 15 more oak planks left and right. And after you do that, add 5 more left and right. After you do that, you should have 50 oak planks left and right. Leave one space, like you see this. If I place 2 right here, I'll need to get rid of this one because that's where the door will be. And that's where the door will be right there. After you do 50 and 50 on left and right, you want to go straight, which is how long it is. You want to go by 58. So count 58 left and right. And then you can connect it to each. After you do that, then you go here, place oak plank, because the oak plank is currently, it's just the oak plank in the beginning. So place your the middle that you just broke, place an oak plank there, and at the same oak plank that you just put, place that door, and it should look like that. After you do that, place 3 oak planks, 3 left and right. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then after you did that, place 2 more on top of that first one. 1, 2. And then go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then yeah. After you do that, hopefully it has it. Then you want to place down a oak plank right here. After you place your grass block, I want you to go by 9 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Trust me, it's 9. And then same thing for the right as well. And then go by 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then after you do that, if you're going to make it on the sky, which I would prefer you do it on the sky because that looks dope. And then just after you do 16, 16, and then put it across, just add it all up. Just fill it in. After you do that, you want your oak plank, and then count it off. So go on the left, place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then get rid of the oak plank. And if you did not mess that up, place that grass block back. And then also, what you want to do now is it's like right on point. What you want to do is place 1, and then 1 more, and then place 1 on the second thing. So right here, so place 3, 1, 2, 3, and then place 2 on the second one also, and then place 1, 2, and then place 1, and then 2. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then place 1 more, that's 3, and then you repeat it. and you could like map it out. So right here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But this one, okay, so it's you will know. And then after you did that, then place 2 on the middle. And then repeat it. One, two. There you go. Next, what you want to do is place one more like that. And then that will be basically your fence where you're placing. So you see I'm placing down more oak plank. Each plank that I place down, that's where the oak fence is going to go. After you do that on the left and right and place down the oak fence, we will move on. After you do that, get your oak fence gate and place it right there, and then place one oak fence, that one, on the left, and then place an oak fence gate. Now we're gonna go check it out how it feels to walk on it. It feels pretty nice, doesn't it? I think I did a good job on this. It's pretty insane though. Okay. After you do that, please go grab your oak fence, not gate. Get your oak fence, place one more on the grass, the first grass block, and then place it all around, and then stop at right there. You don't want to go on the oak plank because that's where the wall will be for the house. And just repeat it. After you do that, then put your wall, so after your 3, then place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then go up by 2 more, and the same for the left. After you do that, now we are going to be adding the unlimited water resource if I did it correctly. If I did this correctly, then we would get unlimited water resource. Alright, so place 4 like a square, but 4 like 1, 2, 3, 4. And then after you do that, it should look like something like this. After you do that, grab your water bucket and place it down 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now mirror it to the other side and do the same thing. Okay, after you do that, if there's any dirt, replace it with grass block because you don't want dirt for this house. Or mansion, even. So, grab your oak sapling and just place it anywhere. Hopefully you can mirror like me. Your trees will be different, so be careful with that. I'm pretty sure it will still work, but just be very careful. I believe all my trees were all standing up. As you can see, I misplaced one, so that's okay. Yeah, all of them was standing up. So make sure all your 4 was standing up. And your kind of middle one, a little bit lower. After you want that, grab your scaffolding from the Village and Pillage update and place 1, 2, 3 up on the second leaf on the right, and then place 2 more right there. Like I said, your trees will be probably different, but at least so you can kind of mirror it. All 4 standing up, and then in the middle, a little bit shorter. That is my hint for you. After you do that, I want you to place some flowers. What I will be using for the flowers is I'll be using red, which is I believe the poppin', and then the blue one. So what you'll be needing is you'll be needing the poppy and the blue orchid. And then you'll just place them wherever you want. After you do that, now get your flower pot and a dandelion, which is the yellow. Place it on the second half. Yeah, as you can see, I messed it up. And place it on 3 other sides. Alright, well thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. And I'll see you on part 2. I have no idea when that will be. But as you can see, this is what the outlook looks like right here. 50-50, 58 long, and 50 wide, and then long 58. Alright, hope this helped. I know it was kind of difficult in the beginning of the video, but hopefully it still helped you. And of course the tree thing and the walk pathway of the bridge kinda, and the flowers, and yeah, so the trees, the walk path, and the trees and flowers and a walk path, that might be a little bit difficult for you since those are kind of misplaced, but it's up to you. But anyway, see you in part 2 or episode 2. I'm gonna call it do 1 because that also include part or episode. See you then.